How to activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card online. Now, first things first is you need to have a working web browser if you're going to be activating it via your laptop or PC. And if you're going to be activating it on your mobile phone, then just simply use any web browser available. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. And what you want to do is just head directly to your search bar and simply type in att.com/prepaid/activate. Now you will be redirected to the activation page and then just simply choose all necessary options here to say how many lines are you activating today. So let's just try to choose on one and hit on continue. Now your device information should be on the physical SIM card that you have on your end. Now input your ICC ID or your SIM number. If you don't know where to find it, just simply click this link right here and then you will be provided with pictures. Same goes with the IMEI number. Now enter your service zip code and then hit on continue and you're good to go. That's it. That's how you activate your prepaid SIM card on AT&T.